Imagine waking up from a deep slumber only to find yourself unable to move or speak, accompanied by a sense of dread and fear. The fear and confusion surrounding sleep paralysis can be overwhelming for those who go through it. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into fascinating topics about the human mind and body. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phenomenon that many people experience but few fully understand. Sleep paralysis. Before moving on, if you're new here, don't forget to the subscribe button because trust me, you won't want to miss it. Alright, let's dive into the disturbing world of sleep paralysis. Do you know that approximately 8% of the population experiences this scary phenomenon at least once in their lifetime? That's right, it's more common than you might think. Now, let's talk about what exactly sleep paralysis is and why it's such a prevalent issue. Imagine waking up from a deep slumber only to find yourself unable to move or speak, accompanied by a sense of dread and fear. This is the reality for many individuals who suffer from sleep paralysis, making it a truly terrifying experience. Sleep paralysis is a phenomenon that occurs when a person experiences temporary paralysis either when falling asleep or waking up. During sleep paralysis, the individual is conscious but unable to move or speak. This can be accompanied by hallucinations and a feeling of pressure on the chest, making it a frightening experience for those who go through it.
Sleep paralysis occurs when there's a disruption in the normal sleep cycle, particularly during the transition between REM, rapid eye movement, sleep and wakefulness. It's often associated with other sleep disorders like narcolepsy, but it can also happen independently. The exact cause of sleep paralysis is not fully understood, but it's believed to involve disrupted REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, during which dreaming occurs. The fear and confusion surrounding sleep paralysis can be overwhelming for those who go through it. It can lead to anxiety and sleep disturbances, impacting the overall well-being of individuals. This is where the McMaster University study comes into play, shedding light on this mysterious phenomenon. The McMaster University study delves into the depths of sleep paralysis, uncovering valuable insights through rigorous research. From the methodology used to gather data to the surprising results obtained, the study provides a comprehensive understanding of this perplexing occurrence. Though sleep paralysis can be alarming, it's usually not harmful and typically resolves on its own. However, it can be helpful to manage stress, maintain a regular sleep schedule, and create a comfortable sleep environment to reduce the likelihood of experiencing it. If it becomes a frequent or distressing issue, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional. In conclusion, it's crucial to emphasize the significance of raising awareness about sleep paralysis. By understanding this phenomenon better, we can provide support and guidance to those who experience it. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can make a real difference in people's lives. Now, I encourage you to share your own experiences with sleep paralysis in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and support each other through these challenging moments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content on intriguing topics like this one. Together, we can learn and grow. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves and stay blessed.